So my model was going on vacation and she was going to a warm beach weather destination. And she wanted something easy, something wash and wear. So what we decided to do is a graduated bob, because a graduated bob removes a lot of the bulk and weight and hair in the back. It takes it nice and short, and then pretty much all you have to worry about is blow drying the sides. How much easier can you get? Unless, of course, you go really short everywhere. So in this particular case, we decided a graduated bob was going to be a great option for her fabulous vacation that she was going on. So, as you can see, I'm taking diagonal sections right there, and I'm combing the hair down. And what you'll notice is I'm holding my fingers in a 45-degree angle where it's longer toward the occipital bone, and the hair gets cut shorter as I get closer to the bottom of the neck. As you can see, the graduation is forming very nicely, and it is now time to cut the outline on the side. So I basically take the angle of the graduation and use that angle as my guide to create the outline for the sides. So I've got one last section. I've combed it all down, cutting in that graduation in the back, combing the sides straight down, using the previous and underneath section as my guide to establish that new outline. So we pretty much finished cutting the graduated bob on the right side. Now we're going to do the exact same thing on the left side. Not a whole lot to explain. Just keep in mind you're holding your fingers in a 45-degree angle, longer towards the occipital bone, shorter to the neck. So now that I've completed the graduation on both the left side and the right side, it is now time to cut in the desired outline. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the point of my scissors to chip in the desired outline. Now that I've got the desired outline all chipped in, I'm going to go through and scissor over comb the outline of the graduated bob. It's just going to soften up that outline, and then it's also going to give me an opportunity to cross-check the graduation. So as you can see, I'm just going through, scissor over combing, and it's just softening up that outline so it's not so blunt, not so hard, and it just makes it look really, really subtle. Alright, so I've gone ahead and dried the hair. As you can see, this is going to pretty much be a wash and wear, great vacation haircut. There's a lot of the hair that's been removed off of the back. We've pretty much come to the end of this haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, put them down in the comment section below. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more great content. And thank you so very much again for watching.